here, sometimes you have a hard time breaking the posture. Okay? Little trick is, anytime you feel the person want to stand up, you do this. Okay? It's Frank Quinn, the lazy man's grip. Okay? It's a bullshit thing. But you'll be surprised how it prevents somebody from standing up. They feel like they can't. Okay? So, anytime the person wants to stand up, I make my legs heavy here. If he does manage to stand up. See what happens? Okay? So we're going to try that real quick. We're going to be here, in the guard. You can feel him want to go stand up. Look. Okay? Right here. If he comes back down, it's fine. It gives you extra time to start breaking his posture and working for things. Okay? So anytime you're having a hard time breaking the posture, here, he's going to want to stand up. Go stand up. I do this. Okay? If I want to break his posture further, look what I do. I snake my toes underneath his feet. And I stretch him out. And I break the posture. Okay? Let's try that real quick.